I'm not that smart when it comes to this IKEA stuff, and I've already went through the learning curve of these fabulous books, and now my wife just, Michelle just got into it, and she got stupefied too. Now, when you're looking at these IKEA books, every book, like there's a bunch of drawers and things like that, but there's different, what would you say? Different
placements,
different shapes,
configurations, drawer configurations.
Right, so there's different drawer configurations. So when you're flipping through and you think that you're doing it right, so you're on step number 5, guess what? Over here on the right-hand corner is this little flip to page 14. It doesn't say it because dummies don't understand that, but then that's the way that drawer goes in.
I sat and looked at that for 10 minutes going, what are they trying to tell me?
Me too. We want to save you.
I didn't see the little 14 thinking it was, because it should say page, like PG.
Yeah,
14.
go to page 14.
I thought it's on step 14 maybe, right?
100%.
We met when I was in a band. No, not that band. This band. We fell in love. We started a business. We bought a house. Then we got married. We hung out with our dogs, Stella and Kobo. Then we bought a cabin in the woods. Nope, not that cabin. This cabin. Then we dug a fire pit and started some renovations. We built a dock and adopted a dog named Juno. We got a jet ski and explored the woods with our dogs. We had some fun along the way, and the journey continues. This is our life with dogs.
Here's where we're at. We're starting our second day on the IKEA kitchen. We've got most of the stuff in. The first part, so what we're going to do today is we're going to put the drawers together and the cabinet faces. And I'll show you where we're at right now. We got the uppers in, the shelves are in. We've got the one drawer in here. Now that's IKEA, I'm telling you, that wasn't much fun. Got to fill that hole. And then we're going to put together these Maximera. And then and get those doors on. Then there's cabinet doors for the dishwasher. The sink goes here, which can't be put on until the countertop goes in. Maybe the doors and the support can go on there. Then we'll pop these boxes together. I don't know what those are. The stove or the insert stove goes there, and then the same thing down on the end here. I'm going to grab some plywood and I'm going to temporarily make this our kitchen countertop because I want to tear down the temporary kitchen so that we can do the other area, prep the walls, finish the walls, move the fridge over to that spot because we have a whole unit going in over here. Dance, motherfucker, dance, motherfucker, dance. Dance to the music.
Don't waste time on the mic. The red truck that was stuck in the traffic jam just ahead of them, so they decided to call the company.
So we've realized that by the end of this IKEA installation, you know, IKEA is supposed to be for dummies, right? So we're going to figure out
what
now
level of dummy?
what level of dummy there is, because there's not just one level of dumb.
I'm definitely my level of my level.
Dumb? Is it dumber or dumbest?
Yeah, I might be dumbest. I'm in the middle.
So, anyways.
So anybody watching this video, like seriously, like I'm gonna tag in the thumbnail that this is the number
Go to
one
page
thing.
14.
Go to page 14 or whatever page they tell you with the little picture.
Well, the reason why is because I finished the first drawer, and Keith did the inserts. When he put it in, and we'll do a little screenshot of what we're talking about. The cabinet beside the bottom of that door didn't line up with the bottom of the other drawer. There was about a 1/2 inch gap.
Right.
So,
see the difference? So this drawer is 1, 2, 3. This is the drawer that we have. So step number 5, Michelle went to do step number 5, which is there and there with those 2 screw holes. But look at, if you have that cabinet, go over here and switch to page 14, and then they show you that those screw holes go 1 step up, so the cabinet hangs down
so
properly.
it all depends on which drawer you're doing, the bottom one or the top. So the bottom one you'd place the screws in that
in the
configuration.
lower part, yeah.
But if you're doing the top, then it says go to page 22, and basically you have them shifted down. So I guess originally did the top drawer. I'm going to do the bottom drawer now by changing the placement of those screws in
those
that
2
hitch.
screws, right? That's it.
So
onward and
I'm going to help you.
Help yourself.
No, I'm going to help you graduate from the levels of dumb that maybe you can just be, dumb.
See, it's worth watching this video. And if you guys got anything from this, you know what? Help us out. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. Smash that like button. Do all that stuff. And leave us a comment. Tell us, are we crazy? That, you guys are dumb. You should have figured that out. Maybe you agree. Just like we're on a say, be my little baby. You got the crabs in her bucket.
I'm not facing the right way.
Of course you are. It's dark outside. I gotta go look for some plywood. Michelle got these cool little hats where you just put the hat on and then you're good to go. I think it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go outside and look for some wood.
Yeah,
It's not there at all. I didn't see it.
What's the issue?
Risky business. When I open the door, because he chases the light, he comes running down, which I didn't see, but this is what it looked like. It was so funny. He's like, fucking flew across and was like, it was the funniest thing I've ever seen. It was so funny. Oh my God. You need help.
Okay, so here we are. We got loosely
A makeshift kitchen.
the makeshift first part of our kitchen. Michelle is not sure about the sink, so that might get changed out. I don't know. That's not up to me.
I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna do an
Stainless steel or
a
something.
stainless steel.
We do have the stainless steel stove going in here,
Yeah.
so she wants to match that.
I don't know.
And up here, we're doing a custom range hood, which is going to be really cool. You guys are going to love that. But I wanted to show you guys that we succeeded today.
Does anybody need coffee? Got a lot of coffee. A lot of tea. This is not how it's gonna look. We just had to clear out the kitchen.
So the temp kitchen that you guys saw from Bitchin' Kitchen Part 1, or Bitchin' Kitchen Start Here, well, that's where that was. Look at that. So we pulled out temp kitchen tonight, moved the fridge and the stove over there. That stove's gone. If anybody wants it, you know, hit us up on the DM us. This is where the fridge is gonna go. So we have this is our next section that we gotta work.
So the 30-inch French door is gonna go here. We're gonna have an upper 24-inch cabinet that's 40, same as these, not glass, because it's gonna be for food and I don't want to see that. And then a lower, and we're gonna put the espresso machine here. So actually, it's okay that there's only 2 plugs there because it's for the coffee machine and the kettle.
Kobe, are you like?
I have to buy a matching kettle.
What are you? Are you cleaning the floor, man?
No, come on, buddy. We know you get so many minutes.
So what's got to happen before we do this section over here is I have to put in the, I've got to finish this wall. So unfortunately, because we changed this, I've got to pull all this shiplap down, and I've got to run, I'm still running wires. So I've got to run another wire into this box. I might have to turn this box into a 3 box, that's a 2. I'm gonna have to turn it into a 3 because of the wonderful things she does. We got an outside light for the front there. Outside that door. Then we have the fan going right here in the middle. I've got to run that wire down there, run it up here, run it over here, down, around, and then over here into this box. So I've got to do some thinking. We're weekend warriors, so we're here for the weekend. We're leaving tomorrow, but we did get all that done, which is pretty amazing. So the first part of the kitchen is leveled up. The sink situation is probably going to change. The stove is coming next week, so I'm going to figure that out, how I'm going to insert that. But we put the cabinets in. We got to, obviously, we've got to fine tune all these cabinets because, you know, like they need to be.
Is it?
Well, that's the dishwasher. So, guys, look at this.
Yeah, cool.
So, I don't know if I can even open it because there's no handle on it. No, you can't.
You can't? Well, hold on, I can.
Yeah, I guess that's how you do it. We have to do the top one until we get a handle in there. It's pretty tough, like it's pretty strong. There you go. So guys, it's a hidden dishwasher. Pretty
Look at
cool,
that.
pretty cool.
Lucky.
Pretty cool.
Cool,
We
eh?
just have to level it up and make sure all the lines are working because
So-
that's not so easy.
We'll chat a bit for the sink
What
for
do
a
you
second.
you have your hand on your hip right now and you're all like sexy talk while I'm trying to film this properly.
I'm going after the sink situation here. My wheels have been turning for the last 30
boy.
minutes because obviously when you work with IKEA and they have it on the computer, and I originally had a stainless steel exhaust hood range whatever over here, so it kind of matched.
We're
with
gonna
the
build our
stainless
own, which is
steel.
gonna be cool though.
Well, it kind of matched the stainless steel oven, right? Because we're doing a cooktop and an insert like wall oven.
Right.
So now all of a sudden I'm looking at this and I'm like, I don't know. There's
I would be
the
able-
whites are bothering me.
I would
and-
love to see it go.
Yeah, I think this is gonna change. I think I'm gonna do a stainless steel insert. There's just something about it that is, it's just my head.
So that's it, guys. That's it for listen. Like, subscribe, help us promote the channel. Subscribe, like, do all that good stuff. Smash that like button. If you put the bell notification up, you'll know when we're doing our next video. So we're building the IKEA kitchen. We're not done, so stay tuned. Smash that like button, hit subscribe because we need subscribers.